Okay, so when you go to GED.com and you log in, okay, if you have GED Ready tests ready for you to take, it will be on this front page that you already have GED Ready tests set up and they're ready for you to go take those ready tests. It will be right here on the front page. If they're not there, if you don't see anything here about a GED Ready practice test, then you've let them expire. You will need to go get some. So I'm going to show you where you can go to get GED Ready Practice Test vouchers. You can do it at GED.com. It will take you to the Aztec website. It says they are $4.40 a piece. So let's say you need 4 of them. So it's just like going to Amazon and shopping at Amazon. I'm going to get 4 of them. I'm going to view my cart. It says, oops, I didn't clear out the ones from this morning. I want just 4. So the total is $17.60. I proceed to checkout, and then I pay for them. You will get an email that says you've paid for your GED vouchers, and here are the numbers. They will give them to you in an email message. You need to keep that because those numbers you just paid for. Then you will go back to GED.com, and up here underneath where it says welcome back, there is a button for language arts, social studies, science, and math. If you click up here on schedule test, this is where you schedule to take an actual GED test. You're not taking a GED test. You need to take GED Ready test. So when you click on one of these subject area buttons, you will have a choice right there. No, down here, GED Ready Practice Test. GED Ready Practice Test. You click on it, and it says that one subject is $6.99. If you want to buy 4 subjects, but I would just do for the one subject that you're going to do at a time. So you would click buy one subject, pick the subject that you want to pick. You want to do it in English, unless you speak Spanish. And then the order form will pop up. And right here where it says coupon code, you will go get one of those voucher numbers, and I would do them in order so that you know which ones you've used, and you would put that voucher code in right here where it says coupon code. Okay, you should be able to see my mouth jiggling all over. There's where you put in the coupon code. You proceed to checkout, and it will zero out how much you owe. It'll say you owe 0, and then you place the order, and you'll be ready to take your GED Ready test in that subject, whatever subject area it is that you chose. Right? I'm going to go back out because I actually can't take the GED because I have a high school diploma. You cannot take a GED if you have a high school diploma. Let me see if it's going to let me get out of here. Okay, so back here on this page, it should then say somewhere up here on the main page that you have a GED Ready test ready to take. And then you'll take it, and you'll go back and do the next one, whichever one, whatever order you're going to do them in. But almost every one of you should have done all 4. So that's how you go about getting the GED practice test taken care of.
If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified about new videos, please click the notification button.